back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 13th of November, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
That is right. It's the 13th of November, about midway through the month. Holy
At least
cow.
it's not a Friday.
That's it, that's it. And it's Tuesday, that's right, Tuesday, not Monday that we're doing the video because it was a 3-day weekend. And as you know, we always do the videos at the end of the weekend, the first day of the week. And that would be today, Tuesday. Alrighty, let's jump straight into it and talk about what we did this week. This week in the shop, alrighty, we made some more sign people blank. Now y'all know blanks, you know what I'm talking about when I say the sign people. It's these guys right here flanking me on either side. I call those sign people. I don't know why. I don't even know where I got that from. Maybe because they kind of remind me of a sign and they're people. I don't know. I don't know where it came from. But anyhow, we milled and played some lumber. We had a good time.
We had fun. Yeah, right there on the floor.
Yeah. And come out with some really pretty nice looking pine there for what we started with.
And the cedar.
Yeah, we did a couple of cedar planks there, cedar boards there. We put a log on the sawmill for Mama to mill up, but the rain came in and she didn't have an opportunity to get out there on the mill. It's a nice size log. I think it's going to be about, I think it was about like 7 foot, 23-inch diameter yellow pine log. So nice size log sitting out there ready for her to mill up. Hope to get to that. Probably won't do it this week, but next week we're looking forward to that.
Hopefully.
Yep, that's it. And Mama worked in the show trailer. Now that's a job right there. I mean, that's 2 weeks worth of work you're going to try to put into a couple of days because of the rain. But got a lot of work to do in there. And then I burned off some of these logs that were sitting around. These are some sweet gum logs that Daniel had dropped off. I told him drop off over here and I'll take care of them. So I'm getting rid of those a little bit at a time, so I work with that. Alrighty, let's talk about projects completed. Alrighty. Projects completed this week in the shop. Kimmy went to work for us really well.
Yes, she did.
She did 5 or 6, she did the
Grinches.
5 or 6 Grinches she got done. Come out looking really nice.
Cute.
She's got a knack for those faces on those things. And then Bula showed up, and Bula did a good job for us. Did 1 or 2 snowmen. She wasn't here that long before we went out to dinner and stuff, but did a really good job on the snowman.
That's a cute snowman.
Yeah, that's a really cute snowman face. Really looks good. So there'll be snowmen kind of looking like these guys here, the sign people. Come out really nice. Let's see. We set up and tuned up the 14-inch bandsaw that's down right at the bottom of the steps. Mama's been using this 9-inch Delta, and we've had some trouble about the high-end, I don't even know what
rubber
neoprene tires for the wheels, and it hasn't really worked out that well for us. So I went ahead and set up the 14-inch bandsaw there, put an 1/8-inch blade. 14. I think it's 14-inch, yes, bandsaw. Yeah. I think that's like 14 teeth per inch blade that I put in there, 1-inch blade. That
like cutting butter.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so much fun.
It came out really well. She was excited about that, so we're going to leave that one set up for her. And then let's see. Jay found a source to take our flitches from us, or at least this last big load of flitches that we had. Somebody needed it for some firewood out in a burn pit, so they didn't mind having some pine. He come up and got that taken care of us Tuesday or so, maybe. So those all got gone, I think, about a week ago. So the day after we did the last video. Alrighty, let's move on. That hot cider is good on this.
Really good because it's chilly.
It really is. All right. Let's talk about shows and markets and shows. Now, there's only one thing to talk about, and that's the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. And we're going to be there the 16th, 17th, and 18th. That's right. The end of this week, we're going to be there. Then we're going to make our final trip up there the 30th of November, the 1st and 2nd of December. And again, that'll be our last trip for the year. And then we're going to take kind of a wind down and go slow and take it and enjoy the holiday seasons, do some builds and stuff, get the shop ready. So we got a little special event that's going to be coming up March 2019. If everything works out, we'll be announcing that a little bit closer to the event. But we want you to kind of stay tuned and stay with your ears perked up for that, because we
that'll be fun.
Like to have some, it'll be a real fun show that we're planning on doing. But we got to get everything lined up before we announce it and make sure that it is going to go through. We do know it's something we definitely want to do. We just got to get everything lined up and get all the cards out there and on the table and see what we got. But I'm looking forward to that.
I am too. That'll be a fun one.
That's going to be an exciting event. I really think so. It's a place we love to go.
Yes.
A place we enjoy going. Not far from the house, but far enough we're going to have to spend the night away from the house. So it's going to be kind of like a little vacation here. So we're looking forward to it. All righty, let's move on. Let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. All righty. we're going to be winding down the show season for this year, as we talked about. So we got 2 more shows, and that's going to be done. So we're going to wind down for the year. Mom is going to start sawing some lumber and milling some logs on the old LT15, and we're going to make some videos on that because I think y'all will get a kick of watching Mama out there kind of taming the log yard and the logs and getting those up under control. Looking forward to this.
That'll be fun.
It's going to be a good event for us as far as changing the way we do things, and that is Mama's going to be milling, I'm going to be pulling the logs. That's right, she's going to be doing the thinking, I'm going to be doing the back work the way things should be. So I think that's going to come out pretty good. Buy Motrin. Motrin makes a great Christmas present.
Yes, lots of it.
That's it. We're going to finish up on the sign and post people that we got going on. Now, this is one of Mama's post people that y'all have seen her make for years. This is going to be a snowman, and it's one of a family of three. Family of 3. So there's a bigger one and then a smaller one.
That's the medium one.
So that's going to be the medium-sized one. We've got how many sets over there? You think? Just off the top of your
1, 2,
head.
3, 4, 5, 6 or 7.
6 or 7 sets of those that we're going to finish up. Some before, some during the show. We talked about it. We're going to actually have her painting some of those during the show, kind of draw some interest and show people how it's done, let them know they could do it themselves at home if they'd like. So looking forward to doing that. Alrighty, let's see. We're going to do load the trailer. Load the trailer, that was a big one. We got to get the trailer finished loading up. By we, I mean Mama's going to do it.
Because it'll be tomorrow.
That's it. It'll be tomorrow during her half day. And then what I'm really looking forward to is we're going to start planning for the show season 2019.
Yes.
I am really looking forward to that too. We're going to add some events. We're going to look at doing some more arts and craft festivals and getting out. We're trying to do one every month if we can, but we're going to see how that goes. We're going to do some work here in the shop, streamline some things, get things ready. Spend this off season, this little bit off season that we're going to have, getting stuff ready and lined up, milling some lumber,
organized,
kiln drying some lumber, and getting sizes and standardizing some sizes for stuff that we do, not standardized like you get at big box stores, but standardized for 2 dogs. So looking forward to that. Alrighty, let's move on. I do love that cider this time of year. All right, well that's about it for this evening. Loretta, do you have anything before we tie it up?
Just that I'm looking forward to being on the mill, waiting for this weather to ease up a little bit. It's been raining too much to even get out there, and looking forward to just
slabbing up some
wood. Yeah, making some lumber. Right. My lumber.
There you go, from start to finish. We're going to actually run, I think, a couple of videos of Mama cutting a log and making the boards, all the way to Mama making some projects. And of course, that's going to take some time doing with the drying and the kiln drying part. But I think that'll be some interesting
That'll be fun.
Stuff. Yeah, that'll be some interesting stuff. So y'all can watch Mama do that. Well, that's about it. I don't guess we have anything.
No, I'm done.
As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the videos. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's the 13th of November. I forgot to say Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, the 13th of November. Is it Tuesday? It is Tuesday.